think Morocco did really good job sa defense nila. They're taking away our strengths, and credit to them. And we know they're a very tough team. I think ngayon na-outplay kami, out-hustled kami. Gusto namin yung laro low scoring, but yun nga, out-hustled kami ng Meralco, especially down the stretch.
Galit si team sa Galit si team, coach team.
Wala, okay no. Siyempre, lahat kami down, no? We badly needed that win para sa course positioning sa playoffs. But we still have game, no? We control our own destiny. I think yung last 3 games namin, nasa amin na yun. Kung paano namin laruin and how to bounce back.
Kati after nung nagawan kayo ng bola ni Hadj, kaya na technical si coach team sa una, ano bang tingin mo sa nangyari?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung anong tamang tawag doon sa referee. But for us, syempre, pwedeng maging foul. So, but nung time na yon, hindi naman dun, I think hindi kami dun natalo. No? Like I said kanina, those are breaks of the game. I think nasa amin pa rin kung bakit kami natalo in this game. So we have to be more better, especially on sa defense namin down the stretch. And sa decision making, I think marami din kami ng turnovers, and I think yung assist namin na limit. So yun yung titignan namin.
That's dinami ng history niyo with Meralco. Did you expect any less from this game na maging ganito ka-heated?
We always expected na against Meralco, always a grinding out game, tough game palagi, kasi we all know kung paano kalakas yung team na yun, veteran team, they know how to play the game. And ayun, sa good thing, no, na meron pa kaming chance na may 3 games pa kami. Of course sila, they're more motivated, I think, than us, kasi I think the last game nila ngayon. So credit to them, they come up with the win tonight. Yeah, back-to-back game against Magnolia, number 1 team. So siguro for now, isipin namin yung mga mali namin in today's game, and magpahinga kami, no, sa mga players, kasi sa Sunday talagang bakbakan na naman. So let's see, it's up sa mga coaching staff kung ano maging adjustment namin for them.